Hi guys, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret Mary. If you have never been here before, you are welcome. I will be teaching everything beauty, probably braided wig making, hair styling, mini importation, and business. I specialize particularly in hair styling and braided wig making. I use full laces, I use frontals and closure. I have gained so much knowledge in braided wig making and hairstyling for more than 5 years. I love to teach and showcase my work, which is why you are here watching this video today. You can as well visit my website to purchase a braided wig. Free shipping worldwide, 3 to 5 days processing and 3 to 5 business days shipping. All our braided wigs can be customized. Our ready to ship wigs are shipped within 24 hours after placing your order. And our braided wigs are glueless and they come with a lot of gifts. Alright, moving on to our video on how to open your hair salon. I want to make this video because when I wanted to open my salon, I couldn't find a video either on YouTube or elsewhere that gave me an honest, clear information as to what I need to do, how I can do it, and how I can get started. This video is intended for all beauty professionals, not just for hair salon, but also nail salon, makeup salon, lash extension salon, like every salon. Most requirements are the same with exception of small variances. First thing first, you have to brainstorm on your brand name. Like, you want your name to be very catchy. Most people use names to do this. There are even websites in which you can just put in your first name and they will generate tons of names that you can use for your beauty salon. Secondly, you want to make a business plan. On your business plan, you need to state your finances, state your location, your target audience, how you will get your furnitures, if you will be working alone or you will be working with employees. Number 3, you need to get a space. You need to acquire a space that's going to suit your needs. You need to decide if you are going to have employees or it will be just you. Getting a place in the heart of the city could be very expensive, and getting a place very far away from the city could also be stressful for your customers to get there. So you want to get a place that is actually in the middle, not right in the heart of the city and not right at the extremes, which will be easily accessible for your clients. In a nutshell, you need to make sure your working space should be easily accessible. The fourth thing you have to do is to register your business. After getting your working space, you need to register your business, because you cannot register your business in the town you are found in if you don't yet have a working space. The people who are working at the council need to come and see your salon where it is located before they can validate your registration. So after looking for your space, you need to register your business. And the fifth thing on my list is health inspection. First, you need to get a medical certificate. You as the owner, and should in case you have employees, your employees too have to get one as well. You have to get a first aid box and the necessary equipment, and you also need a fire extinguisher. You need to make sure your salon is always looking neat and clean and very attractive. The fifth thing on my list is furniture. Now, in order to get your furniture, you need to decide, are you going in for brand new furniture or you will buy second hand? When I talk of second hand, something that has already been used, but you can still use them again for some time. And when buying furniture, you want to make sure you go in for just what is needed. Don't just buy things because you want them. You buy things because you need them. And buying everything from a fridge can be really pretty very much expensive. So if you have a possibility of buying things second hand, it will come in handy for you. Bargain prices of furniture. Like the person that will come and do your plumbing, you have to make sure you negotiate with him in order for him to give you the best price. Do your possible best with respect to what you have on your list. Buy below your budget. There may be other steps that you need to follow in order to make your salon. If this video is helpful to you, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And ask me any question or anything you would like to know in the comment section. I'll be responding to all your comments. And let me know if there's a specific thing you want me to talk about in my next video. Hope I bring up more exciting content. See you in my next video. Bye bye.